It's your turn, Oklahoma. Yeah, I know, you've been bugging me all this time. You're like the annoying little brother of Texas, and it's your turn for barbecue across America. And today we're going to be doing an Oklahoma tenderloin. No. Oklahoma tube steak? No. Oklahoma prime rib. Bologna on the old country smoker. I'm going to get it smoked up and make some delicious sandwiches. We're going to start this cook-off with a good old-fashioned bar-esque chub of bologna. That's right. We got a nice little chub this weekend. We're going to get it opened up. We're going to score it. We're going to go around it with a knife, make some score marks to make sure that our flavor, our smoke, and everything will get nice and penetrated. As soon as it's all scored up, put a nice healthy coat of mustard on this bad boy, get it lathered on, and don't you forget the tip. Once it's all mustered up, let's go ahead and get it coated with our Meat Church Holy Gospel seasoning because, oh, it's so good. Then, take it out to our pit that we've already fired up, right around 200 degrees. Throw it on there, and we'll crank it up after about an hour to 250. Oklahoma, we came for you, and this smoked bologna or tube steak, Oklahoma prime rib, Oklahoma tenderloin, whatever you want to call it, this smoked bologna and fried bologna sandwich is going to be absolutely amazing. Check that out. Still warm. Oklahoma, you suck so much that the vacuum keeps Texas from seceding. But your bologna, you got it on point. Just kidding, this is Brisket Medic. Make sure you like, you subscribe. I love you guys. Drink more water. Oklahoma, you're my favorite little brother that I love to hate. Love you.